Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Shelby County, northwestern Champaign County, southwestern Logan County, northeastern Miami County, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Piqua, moving north at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sydney, Piqua, Anna, Jackson Center, DeGraff, Botkins, Hardin, Quincy, Fletcher, Port Jefferson, Kettlersville, Lockington, Mantra, New Bern, Maplewood, Kaiser Lake State Park, Boom Center, Pemberton, Lewistown, and Logansville. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 82 and 105. Now for the official